Imagine producing complex carbon fiber and other composite parts at production speeds and volumes. Impossible Objects announces the world's fastest 3D printer. The CBAM 25 produces strong, lightweight 3D composite parts that are printed up to 15 times faster and available in a wider selection of materials than conventional 3D printing. Here's how it works. The process starts with a CAD model of the part. The model is sliced into thin layers and prepared for printing. The machine starts with a web of fiber substrate. Printing at an astonishing 25 feet per minute, the image of each layer is printed with an aqueous fluid onto the web. The web passes through a powdering system where polymer powder is flooded onto the web. The powder sticks to the web where the fluid is deposited. The excess powder is vacuumed off and the polymer is selectively deposited on the web. Microscopically, you can see polymer particles penetrating the fiber web. The machine prints continuously, cutting the web into individual sheets. The sheets are then stacked to complete the entire printed geometry. The final stack is compressed and heated to the melting point of the polymer. The particles melt and encase the fibers to fuse the sheets together into a solid part. The fused build block moves into the automated sandblasting unit. The uncoated fibers are removed, revealing the finished parts. At an incredible production rate of 25 feet per minute, the CBAM 25 is the fastest 3D printer in the world, capable of producing stronger, better, and lighter parts.